Hello my friends and welcome. Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am back for another quick video to announce a redraw for the Christmas in July video hop giveaway that I did. I didn't hear back from the previous winner, so I'm redrawing. And the new winner is Katy. Katy, I apologize if I butchered your last name, but please send me an email to eastwickspaperandink@gmail.com. That is also listed in the description box below at the very bottom. I need to hear back from you by August 6th. So please send me an email as soon as possible so I can mail out your prize. And just to recap, there are a total of 12 cards with 6 cards and 6 envelopes in each box and 2 matching gift tags. So again, Katy, please send me an email, eastwickspaperandink@gmail.com so I can mail out your prize. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll catch you in the next video.